Tēnā koutou, tamariki mā. We're going to do the haka, ka mate today, all right? And I'm going to teach you how I'll teach you the words, okay? So the first thing is you guys have to repeat after me, all right? So I'll say it first and then you say it after me, all right? Ka mate. Ka mate. Ka ora. Ka ora. Tēnei te. Tangata. This one's a funny one. Puhuru huru. So you have to put your lips out. Puhuru puhuru. Right, lips out. Nana. Your turn. I tiki mai. Whakawhiti tērā. Aupane. 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 Kaupane. Whiti tērā. He. All right. Now, boys, when you do he, you can poke your tongues out. All right. This is probably the only time that you can poke your tongue out inside with somebody doing something. All right. So you got to show me your taniwha, fierce taniwha face. Bah! Bah! All right. Now, girls, we can't do that, or women can't do that. We do pukana. So the girls, if there's some girls that are doing the haka, because some of the girls do the haka, all right, then we put our lips together and we do really big eyes so that our eyes bulge, and we do an upside down smile, all right? I don't know what that looks like. It probably looks funny. Hang on a minute. Let me get myself together. All right? And that's called a pukana, but you have to practice it, all right? Practice, practice. All right, here we go. We're going to do the whole lot, all right? I'll get the my guitar so I can sound it off. Okay, here we go. Ka mate, ka mate, ka ora, ka ora. Ka mate, ka mate, ka ora, ka ora. Tēnei te tangata, puhuru, puhuru. Nana, I tiki mai, whakawhiti tērā. Aupane, 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 kaupane, whiti tērā. Now that haka is a Ngāti Toa Rangatira haka. Okay. Ka kite anō tamariki mā.